Another epic video. We'll be installing the LED emblem that's on my website. You guys always wanted to ask me for a detailed installation of the emblem. So whatever design you guys get, obviously you guys already know which. If you want to run the lights, I'll show you guys real quick. If you guys want to run the lights all day long, basically while the car is on, you would tap into the 20 amp fuse, I believe right here, right above 7.5. Or if you want it done clean in a way of like have it on only at nighttime when the headlights turn on, this is for the 10 gen Accord. You will splice it into the yellow wire, which is going to be, you have the option for the blue wire or the red wire. So you have the option, it has two different effects on the LED. So the black one's obviously going to go to ground. This is also ground. The battery is also ground for your if you educate yourself. That's literally ground as well. If you ever want to do some type of installation and the wire is short, that's ground, that's ground, that's ground. Since we're going to be installing the light here, this one of the strip here, we don't want to run wires all the way there and one wire here, to make it clean and simple. Ground right there, and we're going to splice it into this. We're going to use either the blue one or either the red one. We'll see both effects on the video, and we'll just literally simple as that. And removing this panel, we already removed the OEM one, so this is just heat up a little bit and kind of pry, using a pry toolkit. It'll pull this piece out, and then we have access for the bumper so we can push this light through. Open up these tabs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open up these tabs. Then you have plenty of space to kind of push this bumper out a little bit. So you'll have space to kind of grab the wires and then pull the wires out. And we're going to run it from under this location, from under here. Once it's pulled out, you'll have a nice gap here. Pull the wire from underneath this area and splice into this and ground right there. We'll show you real quick once I pull these tabs out. Another thing, turn the car on, start the engine, basically turn the wheel over to the right so we can have access to removing 1, 2, and 3 screws over here in the bottom, right under there. Remove these 3 screws so this can pry open, and then we're gonna pop this side open. That's it. Alright, so that old one's taken out, and this is exactly where the drill is. I'm gonna make a hole here for the wiring. The wiring goes directly behind it. It's funny because it's already a little bit dent made over here, so I'm like, this is perfect. This is the spot where the wire was hitting on the back end. So I'll make a hole there with a drill, like so. And I also removed these 3 tabs here, so I have more room to play with now. So I could actually open up like this much, as you can see. I could just grab the wire right from there. But yeah, just make a hole there and pretty much run the wire through, bring them around. Basically, I'm gonna grab the wire from here, and I'm gonna grab the wire and push it under here, or you can do it from under here as well, and you can feed it through that way, and we'll go from there. All right, so if we connect the blue wire, the black is already at the ground. So if you connect the blue wire, it's on?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you'll get. And then if you get the red wire connected, is it on?
Oh no.
This is what you will get.
That's
for the red wire. If you got a red Accord or whatnot, or a black Accord, like a red theme, then yeah, you can put the red color. But if you want the white around it, then you would connect the blue wire. And I'm connecting this to the yellow wire of the driver's side headlight, you can see. So basically it's gonna be spliced into the yellow wire of the driver side headlight, and plug that light back in, and that will turn on only when the headlight's turned on. And yeah, we'll see at the end once the hood is down, closed up. It's all done, finally. So at nighttime when the headlights turn on, That will turn on as well. Nice. You can back it up. We can actually see better. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, links in the description of the video. And yeah, check it out. This is fire. Look at that thing. Yes, sir. Alright, peace out till next time, fam.